Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. And what are we doing today, huh? What's the kid got me doing now? Just never-ending projects here on Ice Age TV. We had some fun racing yesterday, and today, boy, just so doggone busy working. And she's got a horse show, and Jesus Christ,
I'm excited for the horse show.
Doesn't end. You know, we should be riding these. Beautiful weather up here in this DC, Virginia area.
Are you going to do a video on the horse show?
Yeah, you can. So, your mom probably object to it. But anyway, so what are we doing right now? Even though I definitely want to do a YouTube video, and that's changing the...
a tea bag.
Right, but we want to do a video eventually on your motorcycle.
The oil.
Right. So, anyways, there go the dogs. It's every time I turn on my video, the dogs start going crazy. So, here's what I'm going to do. Everybody knows when you go to the Harley Davidson dealership and you buy stuff from the Harley Davidson dealership, it's expensive as all... get out. Very expensive. And so, here they go. Doesn't end. Who's here? So, anyways, what I'm doing today, I am going to put on a tea bag. This is it's probably the China made. Take that out. Let's see what it is. We can show our audience the...
Don't put it in your hot water.
Yeah, so there's a tea bag that we're going to install. It's really easy. This is not anything complicated, but yes, we're going to put that, and it's going to be my new little tea bag.
Man, how do you see?
So right, yes. So follow us along. This isn't the Harley brand. This is the aftermarket brand, and I really like these things. You can do a lot of things with them. So first thing we got to do, we're going to unscrew the front windshield bracket that holds the windshield in. Which you use a Torx on that. We'll loosen that up and probably have to take it apart. I'm kind of concerned about that. You can see all those wires. This person put a really cool, if you look here, if you turn the
ignition
bike on, see that? Isn't that pretty cool? That's really nice. I like that. It's just more, it's all about being seen on the road. If you can't be seen, then yeah, you're not alive. That's a sad story of many motorcyclists. And more than ever, just in this area, I'm witnessing so many people just totally just driving into other people. It's not good.
Because they don't
it's really
pay
bad.
attention.
Yeah, it's getting pretty bad. So, but anyways, follow us along here as we do the install. And then I've got the highway pegs that I bought, which those were extremely expensive, but we'll make that all work as well. I mean, Jesus Christ, man. We go to the Harley dealer, yikes. So anyways, follow me along. Just a real simple video. And I'm sorry. Need to get that. Well, we're not working on it right now. That's a bug. We don't worry with that right now. We're focused on this up here. All right, so follow me along. All right, is this rare or what? When do you find this in your motorcycle anymore? This is from my previous generation Harley. So they just take all that stuff away, but here it is. Here's the proper tool to remove these Torx right here. That looks too big though, so I don't like that. Let me check that out. All right, we found the right Torx, which is pretty cool. So it fits in there to turn this, and the thing is, this nice black. You don't want to really scrape it all up. It ruins the black finish.
Unless you put a Sharpie on it.
Even my daughter's like, wow, you actually, how long ago was that? That probably came out of my 2017 CVO. I mean, they stopped putting toolkits in bikes years ago. So this is a real long screw here. And short screws. So we're going to take these all out. Oh, it's so funny. It's all upside down. What a joke. I'll tell you, you do YouTube videos, it's a challenge. So here's the right tool. The other video is upside down.
It's okay.
Right tool, Torx. You got to unscrew this. Don't wreck the black finish on your nice Harley. Even though this is a whole different front windshield thing. You know, if I luck out, I can slide that thing in down behind these screws. Maybe. Doubtful without having to pull everything apart here. So I'm going to kind of try that first. Kind of just get a little loose here and see if that plays out to my advantage or not. All right, follow me along. Now, you can see here, I kind of pushed this forward a little bit.
Move out of my way.
Let me do that. You're not going to be able to do that. I've done this. Hold on. All right, I lucked out. But now, the question will be, does this middle screw grab? So let me try that now. I'll do the sides first. And kind of, it was a little tight. And I'm going to double check this real quick and push down a little further, make sure it's all the way down there.
Oh, it's down there. It's down there.
Okay. Yeah, good. All right, so now I'm going to start tightening this all up, like here. So it's nothing really radical. Only thing I'm doing is showing other people you can buy the Harley Davidson tea bag. It's going to be $200. I got this one for like 40 bucks. This is like a $40 tea bag. And I call it the tea bag. I don't know why I call it that, but now here's the challenge. Just run this screw right here. Does it pull? See, that's what I was telling you earlier. This would be the challenge right here. Yep. Oh, it's pulling. Yeah, okay, cool. Because sometimes that's the problem. It's not long enough. You gotta get a longer one. So yeah. So anyways, the reason I make the video is I have bought the Harley Davidson tea bags, you know, and I'm not here to be critical of Harley Davidson. I'm just sharing with you as a YouTube viewer on my channel.
Willow and Ginger and Scout are barking at the neighbors.
Okay. So you can save yourself some money, and like my daughter said, you know, when you put this on, it definitely does obstruct your view to a degree. So you got to be sitting up a little.
Put the fish tank thing on.
Okay. All right. So you do have to kind of. I'll show you when I get on the bike. So I'm just now kind of walking it down, and I'll probably double check these screws down the road as they kind of vibrate. But you got to be careful. You can strip these things out like anything. So just nice and tight. And once again, I think it's just a really good. I like it, and I'll show you why here in a second. All right, here we are. And so what I like about it is you can put your cell phone up in here. You can put a fast toll, speed pass up in here. You can put loose change in here. You can just put little things up here. So it just gives you more capability of being able to, you know, go down the road in your motorcycle and have more storage and accessible to you too. So let's set the bike up right here, not fall over. And that's funny. The bike's like, hey man, what are you doing to me? So now for me, it's pretty cool. The way I sit on this bike, this isn't really taking away my, you know, visibility. There's no doubt if you want to rise up and see a little bit better right over your front wheel, you're gonna have to kind of prop yourself up. But overall, if you look up there, my other bike, I have one of that as well. And that's why I bought this one for this bike, is because I've had the chance to use it, and I really do like it. And to me, it's good quality. It's a little zipper pouch here for you, and it really does fit. It was a little tight kind of getting it in, and then it doesn't block the airflow underneath here, but the light on the spike blocks the airflow, so it doesn't really matter anyways. So yeah, I think it looks really good. All right, and also, if you look from the front here, it's just nice and flush. What I've noticed in some of these I've had, sometimes moisture gets behind this. And it's not really that big a deal to loosen these screws up again and wipe it off. So I have noticed that. Question will be, you know, how water resistant is this? I would think it'll be okay for the most part, but we'll find out long term. But here's the thing. If I'm correct, and if anybody gets interested in it, just make a comment and I'll link the Amazon product for you to be able to buy us your Harley. And if you look, this is pretty universal because I have different windshields on my two different motorcycles here. If you look, this motorcycle windshield is a little more dirty, but see here, it's a whole different. Actually, this one here, see, it actually sticks out the side a little bit. This little narrower windshield. I bought that off Amazon. Once again, it's like a $50 front windshield. It's not the best because I can see how it starts getting scratches in it. But overall, I like it. It does keep the wind off my face. It doesn't get that wind buffering. So I like it. You know, for the money. The thing is, you know, you spend 40 bucks, whip-de-doo-dah. You know, you go to Harley, that's gonna be like a $200 windshield. Yes. I mean, sorry, Harley dealerships, but oh my gosh. Yeah. Where's the compassion, right? So anyways, hope this video helps you. If you own the newer generation Harley Davidson motorcycles, I'd say from 2015, 2012, you know, on up. I mean, it's just, I don't know why this wouldn't work for you, but it'll tell you that when you go to Amazon to look up your bike and figure out if it fits or not. So I hope this helps you save some money, and you can see how easy it is, and helps you come to closure on what you think is the right decision. Thanks for watching my Ice Age TV channel, and look for more adventures. The next adventure will be the highway pegs. Whether it happens right now or not, I don't know. I got too many damn projects. Yeah, right. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have a great evening.